Hello age group 2, this is video number 2, going over workout number 1. Alright, so we start with our warm up to swim, starting with our Frankensteins, crab walks on each side, plank walks on each side. We go through that sequence first. After that, we're going to do a little lunge series, squat and lunge series, I should say, because we're going to start with 10 squats. Alright, on squats, our hands are straight out facing the ground, our feet are shoulder width apart. And we want to sit in that invisible chair as down low as you can and stand straight back up. See, I fell a little bit because I wasn't concentrating, so make sure you're concentrating when you do this. Straight down and up. Okay, from a side view, hands are straight out. We're sitting in that invisible chair, making sure that those knees don't go all the way forward. We want to be sitting backwards. Okay? So do 10 of those on your count. We should probably go down, up 1, down, up 2. Make sure we're going at a pace where we're making sure we're getting in good repetitions, okay? Don't go too fast. Make sure we're getting in good repetitions. After 10 of those, we're going to do 4 lunges on our right leg, okay? Remember, when we do our lunges, we want to make sure that we're bringing our hands up each time and that our legs are going into a 90-degree angle. Okay, so from a side view, we want to make sure both of those legs are in 90 degrees. Okay, when we stand back up, make it one fluid motion, nice and smooth. Okay, so we're going to do 4 of those on one leg, and then we're going to switch legs and do that same thing, 4 on the other leg. Bring that hand up, make sure that both of those knees are at 90 degrees, and back up in a smooth motion. 4 on your right leg, then 4 on your left leg. After that, we're going to go into side lunges. We've done these a few times. We want to come to the side and get a good stretch. You should feel it in your inner leg, okay? Once again, make sure that your knee is not going way over your toe. That will hurt your knee. Make sure you're going down and aside and almost sitting backwards, okay? Try doing this somewhere where you have a line you can look down at, like on your driveway, and make sure that your feet are both on that line. We don't want one foot coming way forward, okay, or way backwards. We want it to be nice on that same line as we go down. So you're going to do 4 on one leg and then 4 on the other leg. After that, we're going to go to backwards lunges. Same thing, we're going to go take a step back, bring those arms up, and then we're going to come forward. When we take that step back, once again, both legs are in that 90 degrees. See how nice that is? 90 degrees, and take a step forward. Nice and smooth and fluid, not too fast. Once again, we'll count it out, just a couple. 1, 2, 3. This leg, when it goes back, we do not want it crossing over, and we don't want it being way far out. Try and take it straight back and lunge. All right. After that, let's go through 2 times through where you're doing 1 front, 1 side, and 1 back, all on the same leg, and then we're going to switch legs. So, 1 time through all of this will be 1 front, 1 side, 1 back, 1 front on the opposite leg, 1 side, oops, did that one wrong, 1 side on the opposite leg, and 1 back on the opposite leg. Try doing that 2 times through. If you feel like you have it down pat and you really want to do a little bit more, try doing it 3 or 4 times through, okay? After that, you can do either that whole set through again if you're feeling like your legs are feeling good, or you can stop there and get in some stretching, okay? Either way, once you're done and you feel like you've gotten in a good workout, gotten your heart rate up, have had some good reps that are quality, then stretch it out and take it easy for the rest of the day, okay? So that is workout number 1.